Hi there, grade 4 learners! Welcome to our video lesson on the skeletal system. I'm Teacher L, and today we're going to explore the amazing bones that make up your body and keep you moving every day. By the end of this lesson, you'll understand why our skeleton is so important, how we can take care of it, and even learn the names of some of the bones in your body. But before we dive into learning, let's get moving with something fun to help us remember our bones. Have you heard of the skeleton dance? It's a super fun way to move, sing, and learn about the bones in your body at the same time. I want everyone to stand up, get ready to dance, and listen carefully to the song. Let's see how many bones you can remember by the end of the song. Alright, are you ready?
The foot bone's connected to the leg bone's connected to the knee bone's connected to the thigh bone, doing the skeleton dance. The thigh bone's connected to the hip bone's connected to the backbone's connected to the neck bone, doing the skeleton dance. Shake your hands to the left, shake your hands to the right, put your hands in the air, put your hands out of sight. Shake your hands to the left, shake your hands to the right, put your hands in the air. Wiggle, 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 wiggle your knees. Dim bones, dim bones, dim, dancing bones, dim bones, dim bones, dim, dancing bones, dim bones, dim bones, dim, dancing bones, doing the skeleton dance. Trick or treat, give me something good to eat.
Wow, that was amazing! I hope you all had fun moving along and learning about your bones. Did you recognize some of the bones in the song? Very good! The bones mentioned in the song include the foot bone, the leg bone, the knee bone, the thigh bone, the hip bone, the backbone, and the neck bone. Now that we've warmed up, let's learn more about how the skeletal system helps us every single day. Take a look at this. This is a model of our skeletal system. Our body has 206 bones, and they all work together to give us shape, support, and protect our organs. Without bones, we would just be a pile of muscles and skin. Now, let's talk about what happens when our bones get hurt. Imagine you're playing a game and suddenly you fall down. Ouch! You might feel pain, and if the impact is hard enough, you could break a bone or get a fracture. That's when your skeletal system shows its importance. When a bone breaks, it's called a fracture. There are different types of fractures. Some bones can crack just a little, and others might break completely into two pieces. It might sound scary, but doctors can help fix these bones by using casts or splints to hold the bone in place while it heals. So for example, when we wear helmets, knee pads, or elbow pads during sports like biking, skating, or playing football, we're protecting our bones from getting hurt. Safety gear is important because it helps absorb the impact, so our bones don't have to handle the full force of the hit or collision. Safety gear reduces the direct impact on the bones, preventing injury by distributing the force away from vulnerable parts of the body. And it's not just sports. Everyday activities like lifting heavy objects the wrong way or even not getting enough calcium in your diet can weaken your bones. So, understanding how to care for your bones by wearing the right protective gear, eating healthy foods, and exercising prevent injuries from happening. This is why learning about the skeletal system is so important, so it keeps us safe, strong, and healthy. Now this time, please get your notebook and your ball pen. Let's first take a moment to familiarize ourselves with some important vocabulary related to the skeletal system through a fun matching activity. So first, let's look at our vocabulary words in column A. Now, here are the synonyms you will be matching with our vocabulary words. So in column B. So your task is to match each word from column A with the correct synonym from column B. Okay, so write only the letter of the correct answer in your notebook. You may now start. Now this time, let us check your answers. Please be honest. Okay, for number 1, skeleton, the synonym is letter B, bones. Number 2, support, the synonym of this word is letter C, hold up. Number 3, structure, the synonym is letter D, construction. For number 4, protect, the synonym is letter A, guard. For number 5, the synonym of the word framework is letter E, scaffold. Okay, so again, congratulations for those who got 5 and 4 in our fun matching activity. Now take a look at this concept cartoon. It shows different characters discussing statements related to the skeletal system. I want you to pay close attention because you will choose one statement that stands out to you. Once you have chosen your statement, think about why you pick it. Okay, so each statement relates to how our skeleton helps our bodies function every day. So let's quickly review some important functions of our skeletal system. The bones provide the structure that gives our body its shape, act as an attachment points for our muscles to facilitate movement, and shield our vital organs from injury, with our ribs protecting our lungs and heart and our skull safeguarding our brain. Did you know that bones also serve other important roles? They act as a reservoir for minerals like calcium and phosphorus, which our bodies need to work properly. They store fat and produce blood cells too. The yellow bone marrow stores fat, and the red bone marrow is where our blood cells are made. For today's reflection of learning, do this in your notebook. For your assessment, complete the following sentences by filling in the blanks with the correct word or phrase. Write only the answer on your notebook. Okay, great. So we will check your answers on Monday. Thank you all for your participation today, kids. Have a nice day ahead.